Hello viewer, if you cannot change Facebook name, so let's see how to fix unable to change Facebook name. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on apps. Now search Facebook app. Go to Facebook app. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the lower right corner, clear cache data from Facebook app. Now go back to your home screen and follow the second step. Open your Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Facebook app. From here, update your Facebook app. After complete the update process, open your Facebook app. Tap on Facebook profile. Scroll down and tap on help and support. Click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. From here, select profile. Now in this box, describe your issue. So in this box, write down, "Hi Facebook support team, I cannot change my Facebook name. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Facebook support team. After follow these 3 steps, you can change your Facebook name.